Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. It's 32 degrees out right now, and the forecast is calling for snow. Yeah, I don't know. We'll keep you posted. All right, we're looking very festive today. Do you have a joke for us?
Mm-hmm. What happens when you stand between two llamas?
What?
You get laminated.
Cute. And my hair is definitely looking darker, that's for sure. I've got a couple spots that like seem to refuse to dye, but I think overall it works pretty good. And here we have Mr. Bandy ready for his morning food and walk. There you go, buddy. Gosh, these are so hard to get into. It's crazy. They make you work for your advent day. There we go. Oh, Harry Potter's. Those are cute.
He has a scar.
He has a scar. And they're the long ones that you like, so they might be a little off with the Christmas ensemble you got here.
I'm still gonna wear them.
What does your sweatshirt say?
Sadly, I don't want to come.
All right, what day are you on? 4. You haven't been opening these. I can just hear Olivia jingling in the background. Oh my word, you're like behind. You could open up like a bunch of days today if you wanted. Oh, those ones are cute. I could...
Oh my gosh, these are so cute.
Those are really cute. Are they shorties? Yeah, they are. Aw, and he's playing with a little ball of yarn.
Mm-hmm.
Super cute. Speaking of yarn, I've actually managed to work on my hat a little bit, so I'm going to show you guys because I've gotten 2 more rows done. So here's how far I've gotten, and unfortunately I realized last night that I forgot to go up a needle size because I have the brim knit in a smaller needle size, and then you go up a needle size for the hat, but oh well, I'm not pulling it back now. It's 2020. This hat's going to be crazy. It is what it is. But anyways, at least I've made some progress on it, so I'm excited for that. I need to cut this ball and add a new color for the next layer. I also wanted to show you this cute little stitch marker. It's a little neon hat stitch marker, and I got this from the Lemonade shop. She put it on one of my skeins of yarn that I ordered. Look how cute they are. They're the little shorties. I thought they were tall socks when you pulled them out, but those are cute. So we've got Harry on the bottom, and Santa and the llama on the top, and Bandit the Borgie in the background eating. There you go. Kitty socks. Those are cute. Look, they put Jax on our box. I really want to pet you, but I also kind of really want to bite you. That's pretty much his
And the
lifestyle.
cat looks like him.
And he looks like Jax too.
Oh my gosh, I love them.
There we go. Hey.
These are so cute.
Oh, those are cute.
I'm gonna put one on.
You're gonna change your socks?
Yeah.
I
Or no,
like the
I'll
blue
just
ones
have,
too.
we'll just do
one of each, because that'll help with the laundry situation. Hi, Jaxie. All right, let's do our calendar for today. We are on day... Make your favorite Christmas cookies. And while we're at it, let's go ahead and open day 14. Notion to Rise. It's like a little patch. It looks like one of those iron-on ones because it's shiny on the back. So this would be fun to put on a bag or any other fun sewing project. And the house is nice and quiet, so I thought I would show you another fun poppy cotton line coming soon. So this one is called Paisley Rose. This is coming in April, so keep an eye out for it. But it has the most adorable little bees and flowers and little, that looks like a little beehive slash house on it. So very cute. Here you can probably see those designs a little bit better. Oh, they're like little baby chicks. Flowers. Oh my gosh, this line is adorable. And I love all the colors. This, got these little prints. I love the color schemes. I love the white ones, particularly because they just really show off those colors. But look at the little baby mushrooms. Oh my goodness. And we've got these kind of geometric designs. Some foliage of white. And then the aqua. So There you go. Look at how pretty that line is, you guys. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to make some fun things with these. Of course, as always, I will probably be doing some tutorials soon, and I'll re-show these in a little bit more detail on my next craft vlog, because it's a little bit easier to show things on there than on one of these vlogs. But again, that was Paisley Rose, and it is coming in April, so stay tuned for that, and I'll show you their next line on a different day. My gingerbread house set just came, which means we can make cookies. What do you want? You want to go for a walk? We can definitely hear Olivia on our walk today. She'll be able to have little slight jingle bells all day long. It'll be great. It's a very interesting tree you have there, Bandit. That's another equally interesting tree, Bandit. Okay, another interesting tree on Bandit's walk. Another tree. Jingle, jingle, jingle. Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells. There used to be a tree there, but nope, no tree. All right, guys, we're putting the final touches on the fugitive's tail. Liv's finishing up the cover, and then we are going to put it up. We will let you guys know when it's live.
What are you doing in Jackson's spot, Bandy? Just not gonna be happy about that.
Jason has the smoker going. It smells really good, and there is a huge herd of deer over there. Let me see if I can zoom in on them. There they are, just hanging out grazing. Jason says there's a big buck over there. There's a little guy walking his dog down here, so hopefully he stays away. You know. We haven't got any snow yet, but it is definitely kind of chilly out here. Oh, he just saw him and stopped. Look at him stop there, just kind of waiting for that dog to see what's going to happen there. Yep, got up. I think he decided the dog got too close and they're going to move a little bit. The other guys don't seem to be too worried though. Or he's not that close. You can see him on the left side of my screen there walking by, so I think they're all just paying attention to kind of see what's happening. Everybody stopped staring at each other.
Smoking for 2 hours.
Ooh, it smells good.
And I'm going to wrap them and smoke them for 2 more hours.
Okay.
And then we'll barbecue sauce them and smoke them for another hour. So that'll be 5 hours.
Jason and I are having a debate on which side the food goes on aluminum foil. I say it goes on the dull side. He said it doesn't matter.
Right, it doesn't matter. This machine, the only reason that it even looks different is because of the machine. It's just aluminum foil.
But my mom put it on this side.
I know, but I guarantee you your mom knows that it doesn't actually matter.
Okay. All right, so we're putting him on the dull side because I said to. And
all right, we're just gonna put some brown sugar and some liquid in there.
Okay.
How do I only have 3?
Because you didn't grab the 4th one. You want me to get it? All right, so the smoker is going outside. We just launched Olivia's book for pre-order. As soon as we get our proof copy in, we will release it. We're hoping to do it on, I think, Christmas Day. So we will keep you guys posted on that. In the meantime, we did get our set of gingerbread cookie cutters, and so we are going to prepare the dough today. I don't think we're gonna actually make it until tomorrow because it helps if the dough rests overnight in the fridge. So we're gonna get to making dough, and yeah, that's what's going on here. All right, Jason's ribs are cooking. I've got some baked potatoes in the oven, and then we've got some Brussels sprouts and some baby carrots from Trader Joe's ready to go in the oven, and I think we'll have dinner. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for us tonight. Thank you so much for joining us for today's Vlogmas. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you tomorrow. Thank you, Mr. Airplane, for ruining my shot. Yes, we know you want a snack too. It's not even focus. Snickers.
Look, eat.
My gingerbread house set just came, which means we can make cookies. Or houses, or whatever. I don't think dogs are supposed to wear shoes.
I know, but it's weird.
Why is it weird?
Oh, look at the little feetsies.
Yeah, but out in the wild, animals don't have access to shoes.
But it's like we're putting on our shoes and he's just standing there.
Well, he has to put on his collar and his leash. We don't wear those. See? So it's kind of the same.
Yeah, but his feetsies must get so dirty.
Yeah, which is why you don't want him sleeping on your bed with you at night. Plus, he sniffs dog poop. And licks, like, eats his own barf.
This is a festive walk. You can hear me jingling.
Can I do it? Nice.
Sort of.
Not really.
Because it's apparently not something they buy. Or I don't know, what is this like?
We're short. Come on. Be more.
What are we gonna have? Like, what's your...
I mean, it might be able to. Well,
There's no way that's all gonna be now.
okay, fine. Well, then if you're done filming,
Okay, we can turn that off.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us for another day of Vlogmas. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you tomorrow for the next day. Vlogmas day 13, 14. I don't know, whatever day it is tomorrow.